Hello, this is Unlock 3, Listening and Speaking for B1. In this video, we are going to focus on how to identify cause and effects. We are going to focus on linkers to introduce cause and effect. To understand this, focus on these two words, smoking and cancer. What's the relationship between the two? Smoking is a cause and cancer is an effect. So you can say that smoking is one of the causes of cancer. Or you can say cancer is one of the effects of smoking. In academic language, during a talk, a speaker can talk about causes. To introduce causes, the speaker can use phrases like due to, the reason for this is, because, etc. In addition, the speaker can also introduce effects using phrases like that's why or this means and other things. Now let's focus on due to first, and we are going to talk about the relationship between smoking and cancer. How do you use due to? Due to, a large number of people suffer from cancer due to smoking. So smoking is the cause, and we can use the word due to introduce the cause. Let's read it again. A large number of people suffer from cancer due to smoking. So what about the reason for this is? How do you use this one? A large number of people suffer from cancer. The reason for this can be smoking. So smoking is the cause, and you can use the reason for this is to introduce the cause. Another example is with because. So let's check this one. How to use because. A large number of people suffer from cancer. A large number of people suffer from cancer because they smoke cigarettes. So in this example, smoking cigarettes can be a cause. You can also use because of. A large number of people suffer from cancer because of smoking. If you notice, you can use because with a sentence, with a subject and a verb. So because is used with subject verb sentence. Because of is used with a noun, not a sentence. Now let's look at how to introduce effects with that's why. Many people smoke cigarettes regularly. That's why they get cancer. So in this example, cancer is the effect. That's why they get cancer. Another example is with this means. Many people smoke cigarettes regularly. This means they could get cancer in the future. So this is how we talk about cause and effect relationship with these 5 linkers. Let's go to page 38 now. On this page, look at exercise 7. This is a listening exercise. Listen and complete the extracts from 1 to 6 from the program. Before you listen, stop the video here, read the sentences, and try to complete the words, complete these blanks with one of the linkers that we studied a few minutes ago. When you come back, we will listen to the extracts. Okay, did you try to complete these blanks before listening? So let's go ahead and listen. This listening is about 55 seconds. Listen and complete the blanks here.
2.5. 1.
As a child, I lived in Japan, Thailand, and Egypt. That's why I decided to study anthropology.
2.
Some traditions die out because our way of life changes.
3.
Now, due to developments in technology, people spend more time playing games on their phones.
4.
But now we don't have to work so hard. The reason for this is that we have modern kitchens and supermarket food.
5.
You can find any recipe you want on the internet. This means that many people don't need recipe books anymore.
Okay, so the answers are here. Now, go through these sentences one more time. Underline the cause. So underline the cause and circle the effect. Circle the effect in each sentence in exercise 7. Stop this video now, do this, and after you finish, come back to check. Okay, here are the answers in 3, 2, 1. The causes are here. These are the causes. I'm not going to circle the effects because the other parts are the effects. We are going to do one more practice exercise about cause and effect. Read the sentences and circle the best phrase. Stop this video now, do the exercise, and come back to check the answers. Okay, here are the answers in 3, 2, and 1. Let's look at number 1. Because people spend more time online, our social lives have changed. Let's look at number 2. Both of my parents work full-time. That's why they don't have much time to cook at home. What about number 3? We have developed new technology. This means that our habits have changed. Number 4. People don't buy so many CDs anymore because you can buy music online. And the last one. Because of social networking sites, people communicate more over the internet. Now remember that we discussed how to support an idea in Unit 1. Can you think of a way to support each statement in exercise 9? This will help you to practice using these linkers. So can you think of a way to support in each statement in exercise 9? Let's look at statement 1. Because people spend more time online, our social lives have changed. So how do you support this statement? Because people spend more time online, our social lives have changed. I can say something like, especially young people spend a lot of time online on their phones, and they don't meet their friends face to face anymore. So this is one way to support this statement. To practice, please stop this video, read these sentences again, and in your notebook try to write one supporting idea for each of these statements. To practice these linkers, try to use them when you speak or write in English. If you go to page 38, you will see this discussion in exercise 10. You will have 3 questions. And when you are discussing these questions, try to use these linkers in your speaking or in your writing. For example, what are some important traditions from your country? From your country, Saudi Arabia, I think some important traditions are drinking or serving Arabic coffee. That's very important. Another important tradition is going to the mosque on Friday for the Friday prayer. That's an important tradition. So, how do you talk about this? Choose one of these traditions, and when you speak about it, you can say, you can use these things in your speak. For example, in Saudi Arabia, Arabic coffee is very important. When we have guests in our homes, we offer them Arabic coffee. The reason for this is it is a way to show that we like these people and we respect them and we are happy to have them in our home. See, when you are talking about one tradition from your country, you can use some of these linkers. Now look at all these 3 questions. Maybe in your notebook, try to write a few sentences, and when you are writing, try to use some of these linkers in your writing. So in this video, we focused on linkers to introduce cause. These linkers are due to, because of, the reason for this is. And we focused on linkers to introduce effect. And these linkers are that's why and this means. Now go to the next video for language development.